Hi and welcome. Today is just one of those days that you don't want to leave the house because it's raining all the time. However, staying inside the entire day is also kind of boring, so this brings me here on the Mercatoplein, where they have an exhibition of photos, which I already showed you in vlog number 2, but then I only showed you the naked green lady, so today I will show you more. Just to give you an impression how I'm sitting here now, I have this umbrella over my head and I'm sitting here on a piece of plastic. Let me show you all the pictures. Another reason that I needed to go out was that I forgot to buy something at the grocery store yesterday. So I'm going to do that now and see you at home. A few weeks ago I discovered wild peaches. Those are normal peaches, only then they are squeezed. They are delicious, easy to eat. There is one way to eat those peaches quick and easy, and I will show it to you. That will end today's vlog.